Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oatmeal pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. A blender or food processor is essential for this method, making the batter smooth and ready in just minutes. This recipe is perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast. Now let's get blending. Add your rolled oats, milk, egg, sugar, baking powder, and salt into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth with no visible oat pieces. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the oats to fully absorb the liquid, resulting in fluffier pancakes. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. You'll know they are ready to flip when bubbles appear on the surface and the edges look set. Don't overcrowd the pan. Your easy oatmeal pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of yogurt are all fantastic options. These pancakes are not only incredibly simple to make, but also a wholesome and satisfying way to start your day. Enjoy this delightful and healthy breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.